Let's get some more on Amazon, specifically with Gene Munster, managing partner of Deepwater Asset Management. Gene, great to have you with us. Obviously, it was a good quarter, pretty much across the board. A lot of beats, including operating margin, various geographies, beat, et cetera. How do you think about this in terms of the valuation, which is the question that was brought up here on the desk?
I'm struggling with it, and ultimately, Deepwater does not own. Get a little bit of feedback. Can you hear me? Okay, Melissa?
Yep, we got you.
Okay. Deepwater does not own shares of Amazon for that valuation perspective. And just to put a finer point on it, is that it's trading at, call it 45 times. That's more or less in line with NVIDIA. And then you have kind of a step down to Apple and Google at 18 times. And so I think Dan's comments kind of sum up where I'm at, is that this was a good quarter. It was not a great quarter. For it to continue to have a premium multiple, historically it has had that, but for that to continue, I think these numbers need to show more upside relative to what they guided to for the June quarter.
How much do you weigh the context of the markets that we're in, Gene, when you're thinking about these plays? Because there's been this perception, and perception, in the markets at some point becomes reality, which we've seen. That these are safety stocks and people are willing to pay up for them. And so therefore, a premium valuation, a higher valuation, that's okay in this kind of market.
It is okay in this kind of market. That's exactly what's happening, Melissa, is if you're a large cap tech company and you have an okay quarter, you're going to be rewarded for it. The rest of tech, I'm keeping a close eye. We're invested in a lot of those other companies. They're not doing as well with what I think are similar types of quarters. And so there is this flight to quality. And the piece that I gravitate back to is this. Typically in tech investing, there's a pendulum in terms of where the momentum is. Probably with the exception of Apple. Apple has some can have 30% moves, but over the last decade, Apple's been relatively stable. But the rest of tech tends to have these kind of swings. And right now, the swing is in favor of large cap. So as we think about deploying, we're thinking more, this is an indication probably to start to do more work on some of the mid and small cap, because I think eventually we're going to see by the back half of this year some of that momentum swing back. It's just kind of how it goes.
What do you want to hear on this conference call, Gene, from Amazon?
Well, in the AI toy department, they said in a couple pieces in their earnings release about how AI is impacting their advertising business. Would like to hear more about beyond that, how they're implementing it within AWS. And then separately on the cost side, how much more is that to go? Would love to hear. They've given some high-level commentary on costs, but we just want to see where margins potentially could go in the middle and the back half of the year.
All right, Gene, we'll check in with you a little bit later on in the show. Gene Munster of Deepwater.
Thank you.
Karen, what are some of the outstanding questions that you have about the quarter?
Well, I wonder about, I guess on the call, I wonder what they're going to say about rationalizing the business at all, right? This is, obviously more pixie dust for big tech. Anytime they announce layoffs, that's a really tangible thing that you can put into a model, which is a lot easier than some of the other things. So I'd like to hear that. Amazon, I think, is more than any other company, really, they don't care what happens this quarter, and I don't think they care what happens to the stock, and I probably wouldn't say the same of Microsoft, let's say.
Yeah, I hear the concerns about growth, and rightfully so. I think I'm most comfortable with this company kind of, as Karen said, right-sizing the business, layoffs, because they were so aggressive with CapEx spin and SG&A spin going through the better half of 2021 and into the beginning of 2022. So for me, that is more of them reaching equilibrium than them going out and laying off from a point of weakness.